I'm going to take milk, sugar, salt, butter, and heat it in a pan. Next, the sugar and salt. And stir until the butter is melted. While the mixture is cooling, I'm going to add 1 1/8 of yeast to this cup and 3 teaspoons of baking powder to this cup. Probably need a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to add 3 teaspoons to this cup. 1, 2, 3. While the butter is still cooling, we're going to spray the dishes down for the dough to rise. Let's check the temperature of our mixture. It should be at 110. It's about at 113, so we still have a little bit to go. Now it's time to add our mixture to the baking powder and the yeast. We just combined the mixture. Here's the baking powder right here. It's already foamed up a lot. And here's the yeast right now after a minute. After 2 minutes of the mixture being in the baking powder and the yeast, this is it. First, let's add all the ingredients to make the dough. First, we have 2 cups of flour. Now we're going to add the baking powder mixture. Okay. We're going to put it on, lock it, and put it on speed 2. Let that mix. So now we're going to combine our yeast mixture to the flour. And turn it on and let it form a ball. Lock it. Here's our baking powder on the left and our yeast on the right. You can take a difference and see how the texture is. This is very smooth and this is very clumpy and dry. Now we put them in a warm place to rise for an hour or until they're doubled.
Yeah, perfect.
So after an hour, the one with the yeast has doubled and the one with the baking powder has not doubled at all. We will be putting these in our prepared pans with flour and oil at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. But before we bake it, we have to punch it. Same with the other one. See, this one goes in, or concaves, and this one does not at all. Alright, so now we're gonna take it out. See you over. Here's the baking powder one. Here is the yeast one. Here, yeast, baking powder. We're gonna let them cool, then we're gonna do a taste test with my dad and my brother. Today, we are testing which tastes better, the yeast or the baking powder bread. Alright, and which one tastes better, feels better, and smells better. Okay, Carson?
Okay.
We're gonna do feels better. Place your hand on here. How does that feel?
It's rough.
Okay, feel this one. How does that feel?
Sounds much smoother.
Okay. Would you like to smell this one?
Which one?
Holding up to your nose.
Okay.
Does that smell good?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's this one.
Right, left one smells better.
Okay. Now we're gonna do a taste test. Here's the first bread. Take a bite. Is that good? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can place that down. Use the next bread. No, come on, we don't have all day. Okay, come on. Come on, go.
I know, you're making me laugh.
Which one tastes better?
Left.
Okay. Now, which one has a better texture in your mouth?
Right.
Okay, thank you. Well, this is participant 2. Would you like to introduce yourself?
My name's Dad.
Okay, there are 2 breads right here. You don't know which is which. Okay, would you like to feel the bread first?
Yes.
Okay, place your hand right here. This is the first bread. How does it feel?
Hot.
Okay, any more?
It's kind of hard on top.
Okay, the next bread is right here. How does that feel?
Same temperature. About as hard on top as the other one.
Okay, now, we're gonna do, okay, now do you want to test, oh, smell. Here's the first bread.
Is it under my nose?
Yes.
Oh, I feel the heat.
Smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
I love the smell of fresh bread.
here's the next bread.
Closer. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Different.
now taste test.
Okay.
Here's your first, place your hand out.
That's the one on this side?
We don't know.
Oh,
Here's the first bread.
okay. Just take any piece.
Yep.
A little bit of crust.
How's that taste?
Good. It's not very sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little gummy. It tastes perfectly cooked though.
Cool.
The crust is very good.
Okay,
Nice and crunchy.
next bread.
Oh.
How does that taste?
One more.
Okay.
About the same.
Oh yeah. Can you make a decision which is better though?
This one.
That one that you're holding?
Yeah.
Okay,
I like this one better.
cool. So we just got done with 2 tasters testing it, and the yeast bread was golden brown, chewy, airy, less floury, rose faster and higher, while the baking powder bread was heavier, more dense, and floury. Tie between the taste between the 2 testers. One chose the yeast, one chose the baking powder. In conclusion, when making bread, it is best to use yeast over baking powder. You want airy, faster rising, chewy, better tasting bread.